Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm back again with another crochet brace tutorial, and it's going to be a little mini get ready with me video, so stay tuned and keep watching. Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. To all my returning subscribers, welcome back. I really truly appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you for your love, for your support, for liking, for commenting, for subscribing, like everything. You guys are the real MVP. Let's get started. Sorry y'all, I have my hair up because I'm trying to finish up my makeup real quick. But today's video is about this hair I have in my head right now. This is the Mayde braid beach pop curl. That's what the pack looks like, and I used 3 packs, and I used all of the 3 packs except this one strand, which I'm gonna definitely find space for. But yeah, I got it done earlier today, and I'm just trying to quickly finish this makeup before I head out because yeah, I'm actually really late. So yeah guys, so I got the hair from my beauty supply store. It costs about like $10, like $9.99 for each pack, and I bought about 3 packs, so that's about $30. And I'm gonna attach I'm gonna attach a mini tutorial. I recorded some parts of me like installing the crochet braids, and you know, just showing you guys my braid pattern and whatnot. Just gonna attach it to this video as well. But so far, I don't know if I'll let y'all be the judge. Okay, how about that? I guess I'm so used to my big hair. This hair is definitely like not as big as I go, so I'm really trying to get used to it. This is gonna be my first time wearing it out, like, you know, outside. So I'm gonna see how I like it after tomorrow. So yeah, I just pulled it up like this because I'm trying to get my makeup done and I don't want hair in my face. Still in there, but you know. Alrighty, just one more thing guys, just the contour. Y'all, I don't really do too much of the liquid highlight and contour. I like powder. I love my Black Radiance palette, and y'all, it gives me, like, when I'm trying to rush and do my makeup, it gives me that glow without doing too much, like, you know, without doing like the whole 9 yards of the whole highlight and contour thing. So that's why I actually love this palette. I initially got this palette like back in 2016. One of my friends got it for me for my birthday. Like, this was back in 2016, and ever since I started using this palette, y'all, my whole highlight and contour game like stepped up. And not only that, it's like I have never used, I mean, I kind of like sometimes add on to this. This is the Bella Pear Cosmetics glowing palette. I kind of use this as well. Sorry y'all, this is filled with makeup, but I kind of use that as well. But this is my go-to. This is like my, if nothing else, I use this, like, you know, that's like when I want an extra like glow, like, you know, like tonight. But yeah, I'm trying to quickly do this because y'all, I'm really late actually. Like I'm talking like 3 hours late. I'm on African time right now, but it's cool. I'm gonna get there. Thank God the Rose is free, you know, and it's at her apartment. She's having to my friend is just having to get together for her birthday and whatnot. Oh dang, I forgot my nose. Hold on. Quickly just do my nose. I just like to, you know, just contour it a little bit so that it looks a little like less, I don't know, less humongous. Oh my god. Sorry guys, I'm gonna show you my hair. I don't know what made me start recording this video when I'm not even done my makeup. I just felt like I might as well just get the talking out the way and just do a quick 360 and then add on the video with the tutorial. So if you wanna just fast forward to when I'm all done, you can. That'll be in the next 15 seconds maybe. And yeah, that's it. I'm just doing a mini beat. Period. That's it. That's it. And now I'm just gonna spray my face. This is the NYX dewy what am I saying? This is the NYX dewy finish long lasting setting spray. So I'm just gonna shake that up real quick. I don't even care if my makeup is not blending right now because it kind of is. Let me see. Okay. Yep, not bad. I'm just gonna spray this. Whew. Oh, okay. Alrighty. So now it's time for the reveal, like what the finished part looks like. And yeah, I just took a head stuff. Oh, let me not do this. What in the world? Like, what is going on here? Okay, there we go. Ooh. Okay, so this is what the hair looks like, guys. Wow, okay. It's not looking that bad. At first when I finished my hair, I was just looking at it like, I went from a really, really big hair and then this is like way smaller, and like my face and I don't know, my whole body feels the difference. Like, I don't know. It just feels so like small compared to what I normally do. But I do like it because it's hot outside. I've been going hiking lately and stuff like that, and walking more, and I don't need big hair. It just makes me sweat. Even though I do love it, I love it, I love it. I love my big hair all day, every day. Big hair, don't care. But I decided to try this because first it was it looked really good in the mannequin when I saw it at the store. I just have to get, you know, used to it. I'm the kind of person, sometimes when I get my hair done, I don't like it to like later on that week or something like that, but this is what it looks like. It came out shorter than I expected. That's one of the reasons why I'm like, So, yeah, this is what it looks like, guys. Let me know how you like it. Let me know how you like it. Leave a comment down below. This is my part. Just wanted to quickly make this review quickly. Now I'm already like, you know, I can do a middle part as well. Are you guys liking the middle part or the side part? Let me know. Okay, so this is the middle part. And this is the side part. I can't really part it anyhow because the way I did my braid pattern is the same way I normally do my braid pattern. I'm gonna, of course, attach it to this video, and you know, all I do is connect braids and braid it straight back. So yeah, I think I like it like this because this is more like, you know, I don't know. I just feel like this one frames my face better. And yeah, let me show you guys a quick 360. I don't know what the back looks like, but you know what? I haven't even looked at the back yet, but I guess you guys would be the judge for me. I might need to cut a few things, but that's what it looks like right now. I'm liking it. I'm liking it so far. Not loving it all the way, just liking it so far. We'll see how I feel later on. Ooh. Okay. Alrighty. I don't want to make this video longer than it needs to be, so yeah, guys. if you're the kind of person who I really think my mom will love this hair. Like, she loves like those short curly hair and stuff like that. So I'll definitely maybe do this for her. But yeah. So like I said earlier, I'll be using the Mayde crochet braiding hair in the curl pattern Beach Pop, and I used 3 packs for this style. So my braid pattern is pretty much similar to what I normally do. I have 12 braids all together and 7 going back. You can choose to connect your braids like this or not. Like sometimes I do have it all going straight back, but I wanted a more like defined part. So that's why you see it connected in the front area. So yeah, it's up to you. So let's get to the fun part. So what you need to take your crochet needle and your hair. You're going to make sure your latch is closed on your crochet needle. Now you're going to put it under your braid, and then you're going to open the latch, hook your hair in, close the latch, and pull it through your braid. And when you do that, you're going to go ahead and twist that loop area and pull the hair, all the hair through that loop. And that's it, y'all. That's it. Very easy. Very, very easy. Okay, so I'm going to walk you guys through this one more time. So once you get your hair, you're going to take your crochet needle, pull it under your braid. You're going to open the latch, hook your hair on the hook, close the latch, and pull it through your braid. And now all you're doing is just twisting, and then boom, you just pull the hair through. And that's it, y'all. You just did a crochet braid. And now you're going to do it to the rest of the hair. You can go in a line. You can just, do whatever. Just somehow get the hair on those braids. So when I got to the 3rd pack, and because this hair was not looking as full and big as I wanted it to look, I decided to double up. And I just took 2 strands and just did it just like you see on the video. And I just did the same crochet method to hook it on my braid. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you thumbs this video up if you love it. Comment down below about any questions you have, and make sure you subscribe, okay? Turn on your notification bell, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.